Alright, here we go. Turning on Malti.
Alright guys, we are down to the wire right now. We are racing to get Malti mailed off. We're shooting our demo in the car as we go to ship this for the best products competition, and that's what Malti is all about, right? Like, you need to hack on the go, like you need to hack in a hacking contest. Malti's got you covered.
The audio in the car gets pretty bad at this point, so I'm just voicing over it. There's Malti starting up there. It launches our Qt application, which is a minimum browser that runs IPython Notebook. So you can see it starting up there. One of the problems that we're having in it right now isn't the response time of the interface, it's actually the touchscreen itself, because it's resistive touch. So we're looking at maybe switching to a capacitive touchscreen, because you can see in the video as Rita is trying to press the button, it's not the interface messing up, it's actually the screen has trouble picking up exactly where you're clicking sometimes, especially with small links like that. So she finally gets the example to launch there. Is the welcome example that we shipped off to the judges. So it does take a second or two to actually load the page, but the responsiveness of the interface is actually pretty good. There it goes. So it's loaded up, the images work. It's not shown, but the graphing features work, as well as the GPIO libraries for the Raspberry Pi. So we're switching now to a screen capture from my laptop. I can't do screen capture directly off of Malti at this time. So this is the best we could do, but it looks identical to what you see on Malti. It's just the Qt application compiled for the Linux desktop instead of for the Raspberry Pi. So here you can see the same welcome example that we were running in the car. I'll link to an extended video of that. But here you can see some of the features of IPython Notebook. There, the block of code that was the image is actually what's known as a markdown cell. So, tell you more about that at a later time, but here we're loading the graphing example. You can see that it used matplotlib to plot graphs in IPython. It's great because got all of that working on Malti. One of the problems that we do have with the prototype right now is that graphs kind of take a second or two to load once you execute the cell inside IPython. So it's not bad, but we'd like to improve that performance. So other than that, that's what's going on with our prototype. Things that work well is definitely the Qt interface. It's pretty responsive, it's pretty good. So, thanks for watching. Follow us on our Hackaday.io page. Look for updates, because there is some awesome stuff coming, I promise you. And just tell us what you think.